Recently, I've been seeing a lot of imposter accounts using my name and photo to scam my innocent followers and people who genuinely want to learn to day trade the proper way and better their financial future. I've always taken quick action to take these fake accounts down, but I also want to make this PSA video, and I hope you could really help me out by giving me a few minutes of your time. My only Instagram account is Humbled Trader. My only Facebook page is facebook.com/Humbled Trader. My only Twitter account is Humbled Trader 18. Because Humble Trader was taken. As of today, I do not have LinkedIn, and I do not use WhatsApp or WeChat. My only website is humbledtrader.com. I am not involved with Forex or Bitcoin, and I do not trade nor manage anyone's money but my own. I'll never ask for payments via PayPal, Skrill, or Bitcoin. The only place you'll ever be able to purchase any trading education from me is on my website, humbledtrader.com. And let me just show you these outrageous ways these people are pretending to be me to scam others. First is on YouTube. They have the audacity to make a fake channel with the same Humbled Trader channel name and leave their phone number, fake email, or WhatsApp contact information. Do not fall for this. The real responses from myself using the real account would have a highlight over my name and a check mark. When you see these fake accounts pretending to be me, please help me report them. The second way that's scamming people is this fake Facebook page. I've been in contact with Facebook and I know people who work there, but I've been unable to take it down. And this is where I could really use your help. If you search Humbled Trader on Facebook, the real one, which is myself, would have a little bit more than 1,500 likes. And the scam page is this one with around 500 to 600 likes. This is their current page URL right now, but they have changed this multiple times every single time I post and report them. So these are really sneaky, but you can always find them when you search on the search bar on Facebook. When you find the page, click on this button on the top right, go to Support or Report page, and click Scam and Fake Pages. Next, click Pretending to be another business. This is where you can see on the drop-down bar my real page, Humbled Trader. I've actually made a fake Facebook profile, Mike Bagholder, to try to find out what exactly is going on. If you contact them via Facebook Messenger on their fake page, they will ask you to send $150 for a lifetime membership to my trading community using either PayPal or Bitcoin or Skrill. But in reality, these people know nothing about stocks and they are just trying to sell Forex signals. Do not fall for this. Please help me report this and at the same time, shoot them a message on Facebook Messenger and flood their stupid inbox. Ask them to tell you a joke. Ask them to show you their Lambo and ask them where did they leave their heart and conscience and how do they sleep at night. Even if Facebook won't take down this fake page, we can still flood their inbox so they cannot continue with their fraudulent business. And lastly, so far, it's on Instagram. They will create a fake profile with the same stupid misspelled version of Humbled Trader, and then they will DM you the moment you follow my real Instagram account. But Instagram is by far the fastest social media site to respond to all fake account reports. I look for these fake accounts daily and I can have them removed within 24 hours. If you haven't followed me yet, you can find me at these real official accounts over here. Thank you so much for your attention and support. Please stay positive and stay safe out there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the bad jokes. If you want to see more day trading content, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more. If you'd like to trade with me daily and get my free weekend watch list and trading journal, make sure to check out the links below for more resources. Stay green, stay positive, and I'll see you guys next time.